Say hello to this Jet 22 inches scroll saw, combining best-in-class features with innovation and thoughtful design to create the machine you've been waiting for. The best part about this saw is the blade change process. Our exclusive upper mechanism clamps and tensions the blade in one step, in addition to the upper mechanism. The toolless lower blade holder is removable and the table features a slot for the blade. The features don't stop there. This saw offers 22 inches of throat capacity and an arm that tilts 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. This saw is designed to optimize your scrolling experience, from the variable speed range to a top-lift spring-loaded arm. This saw comes fully loaded with all the features you'd expect from Jet Tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Arm tilts 45 degrees left and 45 degrees right. Number 2. 22 inches throat. Number 3. Variable speed range. 400 to 1550 SPM. Number 4. Efficiency. Upper blade holder clamps and tension blade in one step. Number 5. Stability. Large 12/7/8 inches by 23 inches cast iron table limits vibration, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.